Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. I am Rauf Yassin. In the previous video, we have successfully displayed user records inside this data grid view using store procedures and inner join on this store procedure. In this video, we will perform search functionality to our application. So double click on this search button over here. Let's make sure the name of this text box is search text box. Okay. So double click on this one. And again instead of writing a complete code, I'll go to view roles and I'll copy the code for this search button. So copy and paste it over here. So first we are checking if search text box is not empty, then we will write our store procedure. And now we have two parameters, so I'll use username and value will come from this one, because we wanna use this single text box for searching on the basis of roles or users. So I'll specify two parameters, but I can simply use a single parameter. So instead of using username, I can simply use filter as in parameter, and I'll pass search text box, and this will go and fetch data. If this has data inside data reader, it will reload data into users data grid view, and otherwise it will display message no matching user is found. And I will write store procedure for this one because we don't have any store procedure for the time being. So in the previous video we have created this store procedure. I'll reuse this store procedure and change a little bit. So instead of alter, I'll use create, and I'll change name as well, search by username or role. But we have role title which is stored inside this role title column, so we can specify a different condition for this one. How? We'll specify where, but we need one parameter as well, because we are passing that parameter from front end at filter, and let me set this to nvarchar 50. Okay, so next I'll specify if where u dot username is equals to filter, or because we have two conditions in the front end, we can search either on the basis of username or we can search either on the basis of user role. So I'll have to specify or operator, and then I'll use or dot the next search filter is role title, and I'll specify as an filter. Okay, so we'll also use like operator over here, but first let's make sure it is working or not. Copy this one and paste it over here. Start your application again. Now let me search on the basis of John. Look at this, we are getting our desired output 100% working. Because this is the case for username, let me search on the basis of this power user, on the basis of user role. Click on search. Look at this, this is perfectly working. If I search for administrator, look at this, we are perfectly searching on the basis of this role title, and we are perfectly searching on the basis of this username. If I search John again, now this is the username. Click on this one. Look at this, we are getting username perfectly. But if I click on refresh records, this data grid view should be refreshed, and again all records should be displayed. So I'll write code for this one as well, and I'll call my existing function load data into data grid view. Okay, so start your application again and write John over here, and click on search and click on refresh records. Perfect. Now the problem is that we should select the matching records as well. Let's say I don't wanna write complete admin, I even write ADM, and click on search. Look at this, no matching user is found, but we should use a like operator to be displaying a matching row as well. So we have also used that like operator in our previous video. So instead of using this one, I'll use like, then plus like single quote, and then I'll use percentage over here, and plus and after this I'll also use percentage over here. Done. I think we're good to go. Let me alter this row procedure. Click on execute button over here. It's successfully executed. Now go to Visual Studio and start your application again. So instead of searching for complete word, I'll search for ADM. Click on search. Look at this, our admin is successfully searching. Instead of writing complete John, I'll search for JO. Click on search. Look at this, we're working. Let me search for user instead of writing complete power user. Look at this, we're getting power user and user. We're getting matching records as well. So this is how you can perform search operation using like operator, and you can perform for multiple columns using a single text box. I hope you like this video. We'll meet again with another video. In the next video we will reload this data. If I double click on this one, this data should be reloaded inside this users form and these text boxes should be populated. We'll do this stuff in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.